If your health goals consistently get beaten by your busy schedule, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a system to prep a week's worth of delicious, healthy work lunches in just 1 hour. Forget takeout temptation and sad desk salads. Let's start the clock. Welcome back to Take and Grow, your source for building success habits and mastering your mindset.
Dr. Petrova, you had me at beaten by your busy schedule. That is my life. I want to eat healthier, I really do. I know it's important for energy, focus, everything. But between work deadlines, commuting, maybe trying to squeeze in exercise or family time, complicated diets feel impossible. I have zero time or energy left to cook elaborate, healthy meals every night, so I end up grabbing whatever's fast and easy, which is usually not great. Then the guilt cycle begins.
Alex, you've just described the exact pain point millions of busy people face. It's that frustrating gap between knowing what you should do and feeling completely overwhelmed and unable to do it consistently. You feel like you have to choose between your health goals and your demanding schedule, and the schedule almost always wins, leaving you feeling defeated.
Defeated is the perfect word, and overwhelmed. I look at those Instagram perfect meal prep containers with 15 different ingredients, and I just think, who has time for that? It feels like another chore on an already overflowing list.
That's the misconception we're tackling today. Healthy meal prep doesn't have to be complicated, gourmet, or time-consuming. The system I'm sharing is the opposite. It's about radical simplicity and efficiency. It's designed specifically for the extremely busy person who feels they have no time. We're focusing on just your work lunches first. Conquering that midday meal decision fatigue is a massive win.
Okay, conquering lunch would be huge. That midday slump after a heavy or unhealthy takeout meal is real. So this isn't about fancy recipes?
Not at all. This is about a system, a repeatable process using simple, whole food ingredients that you can prep in bulk incredibly quickly. It's about leveraging 1 hour on, say, a Sunday evening to set yourself up for 5 days of healthy, stress-free lunches. Think of it as investing 60 minutes to save yourself hours of decision-making, cooking, and potential unhealthy choices during the week. This is a core success habit that directly fuels your energy and focus, essential pillars for the Take and Grow community.
1 hour for 5 lunches? That sounds almost too good to be true, but I'm willing to be convinced. Where do we start?
It starts with ultra-simple planning. Let's break down the 1 hour lunch fix system. All right, Alex. Grab a notepad or open your notes app. This system has 3 core phases: ultra simple planning, efficient shopping, and the power prep hour. Phase 1, ultra simple planning, 10 minutes max. The key here is pick and stick. Don't overcomplicate. For your 5 work lunches, choose 1 main protein, think easy bulk cooking, chicken breast, baked, shredded, lean ground turkey or beef, browned, lentils, chickpeas, or hard-boiled eggs. Pick 1 for the week. 1 main grain or complex carb: quinoa, brown rice, roasted sweet potatoes, whole wheat pasta. Again, pick 1. 2 or 3 main veggies. Focus on sturdy ones that hold up well: broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, green beans, cauliflower, great for roasting. Maybe add some spinach or kale for freshness later. Choose just 2 or 3. 1 simple sauce or dressing: a basic vinaigrette, olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, salt and pepper, hummus, salsa, or even just a squeeze of lemon and some herbs.
Okay, so 1 protein, 1 carb, a couple of veggies, 1 sauce. That simplifies it massively. But won't I get bored eating the same thing 5 days in a row?
We'll address boredom in a moment, but the core principle is simplicity for speed. You can add variety with spices on the protein or by switching up the sauce midweek. Right now, focus on the basic template. This planning literally takes 10 minutes once you get the hang of it. You're creating interchangeable components. Phase 2, efficient shopping list, 5 minutes. Based only on your pick and stick plan, write down the exact quantities you need for 5 servings. Chicken breast, approximate 1.5 to 2 pounds, 1 cup dry quinoa, 1 head broccoli, 2 bell peppers, etc. Stick to the list. This avoids impulse buys and saves time in the store.
Got it. Plan is simple, list is simple. Now for the magic hour?
Exactly. Phase 3, the power prep hour. Approximate 45 to 50 minutes actual work. Okay, set a timer for 60 minutes, put on some music, let's go. First 5 minutes, preheat your oven if baking or roasting. Put water on to boil or get the rice cooker going for your grain or carb. Get out your containers, 5, cutting board, knife, pans. Next 15 minutes, batch chopping. Wash and chop all your chosen vegetables. Season them. Salt, pepper, garlic powder are your friends. If roasting, toss with a little oil and spread on a baking sheet. Concurrent task, protein. If baking chicken, season it and get it in the oven alongside the veggies, or start browning ground meat on the stove. If using lentils or chickpeas, you might just need to rinse them later. Get your grain cooking according to package directions. While cooking, approximate 20 to 25 minutes. This is where you multitask efficiently. The oven and stovetop are doing the work. Now you make your simple dressing or sauce. Portion out any fresh greens like spinach into your containers if using. Wash up your cutting board and knife. Tidy your space. Final 5 to 10 minutes. Assembly. Once protein, veggies, and grains are cooked, let them cool slightly. Then portion everything evenly into your 5 containers. Add dressing on the side or layer strategically, like greens on top usually, to prevent sogginess.
Wow, okay. Breaking it down like that? Batch chopping, using the cooking time for other tasks, makes 1 hour seem genuinely possible for simple meals.
It absolutely is, especially once you do it a couple of times. The key is choosing components that cook in similar times or require minimal hands-on effort, like baking or using a rice cooker. You're streamlining the entire process. No complex techniques, just efficient parallel processing. This is a core skill for mastering your time and building confidence in the kitchen.
Okay, Dr. Petrova, I'm sold on the efficiency, but let's tackle that boredom factor. 5 days of chicken, quinoa, and broccoli sounds repetitive, even if it's healthy.
Valid concern. Here's how to combat that without adding much time. Spice it up. Use different spice blends on your protein each week. For example, Italian herbs, taco seasoning, curry powder. Sauce is boss. Prep one base dressing, but maybe bring small containers of different additions. Hot sauce, a sprinkle of feta cheese, different seeds, pumpkin or sunflower, a different vinaigrette midweek. This changes the flavor profile instantly. Texture boost. Add something crunchy just before eating, a few nuts, seeds, maybe some crispy chickpeas you prepped. Theme balls. Think of it as a baseball. Monday, add salsa and avocado. Tuesday, add hummus and olives. Wednesday, add a dash of soy sauce and sesame seeds. Tiny additions, big flavor changes. Alternate weeks. Master one simple combo, then next week swap the protein or the grain. Keep the system, just change the components.
Okay, those are simple but effective ways to add variety without overhauling the 1 hour prep. What about keeping things fresh? Does cooked chicken and quinoa last 5 days?
Generally, yes, if stored correctly in airtight containers in the fridge. Cooked grains, proteins, and roasted veggies usually hold up well for 4 to 5 days. If you're using more delicate greens like lettuce, pack them separately or add them day of. Listen to your nose and eyes, of course, but for most sturdy components, 5 workdays is perfectly fine and safe. Let things cool before sealing the containers to minimize condensation.
Good tips. This system feels less about being a gourmet chef and more about being a smart, efficient strategist for your health.
That's exactly it. You're treating your health and time with the respect they deserve, and the ripple effect is enormous. Think about it. Time saved. No more daily lunch decision fatigue or waiting in line for takeout. Money saved. Meal prepping is almost always cheaper than buying lunch out. Stress reduced. Knowing you have a healthy, delicious meal ready removes a significant daily stressor. Health goals achieved. Consistent healthy eating fuels weight loss, increases energy, improves focus, helping you perform better in all areas of life. Increased energy. Eating whole foods provides sustained energy, preventing that afternoon slump.
That afternoon slump is a productivity killer. I can see how fixing lunch could genuinely impact my work performance and overall well-being.
It's a foundational, healthy lifestyle habit that supports everything else you want to achieve. It's a prime example of a small time investment yielding massive returns, which is what Take and Grow is all about. So, the 1-hour lunch fix system for the extremely busy. Stop the overwhelm. Recognize meal prep can be simple. Ultra simple planning, 10 minutes, pick 1 protein, 1 carb, 2 to 3 veggies, 1 sauce. Efficient shopping, 5 minutes. List based only on your plan. Power prep hour, 45 to 50 minutes. Batch tasks, use oven or stovetop time efficiently. Assemble. Beat boredom simply. Vary spices, sauces, and small additions.
It transforms meal prep from a dreaded chore into a manageable, high-impact system. 1 hour to conquer my workweek lunches. I'm actually excited to try this.
That's the goal. Empowerment, not overwhelm. Taking control of your health, one simple system at a time.
If you're ready to ditch unhealthy convenience food and try the 1-hour lunch fix, smash that like button.
And if you're serious about building success habits, mastering your mindset, and creating a healthier lifestyle, subscribe to Take and Grow. Share this video with your busiest friend.
Let's make it happen. What one simple protein are you going to use for your 1-hour lunch fix this week? Example, chicken, lentils, eggs. Share it in the comments below and commit to trying the system.
Thanks for tuning in to Take and Grow. Here's to healthier lunches and more productive weeks.